Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Tesla stock. In this video I'm talking about the Tesla stock latest and urgent news. So keep watching this video to the end because this video is going to be very important for all of you my friends, especially for Tesla stock investor my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, I also request everybody to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about stock market. My friends, now the currently that is the summary of today update of Tesla stock. You can see here. So 687.20 USD dollar, I think, currently price of the Tesla stock in the market. And furthermore, my friends, that's really a good news for all Tesla stock holders that the change is. You can see a positive 9.85% the price increase. Just I think you can see that is the 30 July latest update, and today is the 1st July, so today update is here. Positive 1.45% the price increase today my friends. 687.20 USD dollar is the currently today price, and you can see here my friends the red green area absolutely. And now in the previous time the price jumps, but in the latest situation the Tesla stock again starting pumping, and I hope this pump will be continue for a long time. And my prediction, my target for Tesla stock is 700. That is my target for a Tesla stock my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Tesla stock? Here is a more update available about Tesla stock. You can see here the market cap is 680.33 billion, and average volume every update 52-week range. You can easily read out these update about Tesla stock. So my friend, that is the summary update of the today news about Tesla stock. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.